recording. In this stage, we relocate the ROV to the cluster of pile on leg A2, where we're going to do the anode cap installation.
Prior to installation, ROV obtained CP reading of -829 millivolts. The value are not within acceptable range of protected steel. The cleaning commences on top of the pile by using hydraulic rotary tool. This will ensure CP continuity after installation between pile and anode cap. When preparation steps completed, the anode cap is deployed underwater and placed onto the pile by using vessel crane and vessel dynamic positioning system.
Into this third view port at this stage, you can see again the pin pile appears to be feasible, indicating that the anode cap appears to be resting securely and perfectly on top of the pin pile. We just complete the rigging of the slings attachment on top of the anode cap, and now you can see all the slings wheel leaving the bottom towards the surface.
After installation, CP readings immediately improve on each pin pile. The value obtained are now within acceptable range between -850 millivolts to -1100 millivolts. This indicates that each pile are now protected against external corrosion.